so shiny and red. B is for butterfly, flying ahead. C is for car, it goes vroom, vroom, vroom. D is for drum, hear it boom, boom, boom. A, B, C, come along with me. D, E, F, let's sing joyfully. G, H, I, it's easy, you'll see. J, K, L, learning's fun and free. M is for moon, glowing so bright. N is for nest, where birds sleep at night. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for panda, climbing a tree. A, B, C, come along with me. D, E, F, let's sing joyfully. G, H, I, it's easy, you'll see. J, K, L, learning's fun and free. Q is for queen, ruling the land. R is for rainbow, colorful and grand. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for train, hear its whistle cry. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, with notes that fly. W is for whale, big as can be. X is for xylophone, play it with me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we've learned the alphabet, hooray! Let's sing it again every day. A, B, C, come along with me. D, E, F, let's sing joyfully. G, H, I, it's easy, you'll see. J, K, L, learning's fun and free. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Clap your hands and tap your toes. The ABCs are the way to go.
KOKI TV. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.